What if I told you that the secret to fluent English isn't expensive courses, long hours, or boring grammar rules? It's something so simple, so small, that you can do it in just 5 minutes a day. Yes, only 5 minutes, the time it takes to make a cup of tea or wait for a bus. Today, I'll show you how a tiny daily reading habit can make your English sharper, smoother, and more confident than ever before. Let's be honest. The number one excuse is always, I don't have time. But do we really not have time, or are we just not prioritizing? Think about it. In one day, we spend hours scrolling social media, watching random videos, or even doing nothing. Now compare that with investing just 5 minutes in yourself. 5 minutes of reading is not a burden. It's a small choice with a massive impact. You don't need to read thick novels or complicated textbooks. That's the beauty of this habit. Micro-reading simply means reading short, simple, and interesting content daily. It could be a small story, a news article, a blog post, or even subtitles while watching a short video. Your goal isn't to read a lot. Your goal is to stay consistent. You might wonder, can 5 minutes really make a difference? Science says yes. Our brain learns better in small chunks. Short, repeated practice builds stronger memory connections than long, irregular study sessions. So every time you read for 5 minutes, you're actually strengthening your English muscle. Just like exercise, 5 minutes of push-ups daily is better than 1 hour once a month. The same goes for English reading. Let me give you examples. Imagine a student who reads 1 English page daily. That's only 5 minutes. In 1 month, they complete a small book. In 1 year, they finish 12 books without even realizing. Now compare this with someone who keeps waiting for the perfect time to study and ends up doing nothing. Which person do you think becomes fluent faster? With this habit, you'll see changes. You'll understand English sentences more quickly. You'll pick up new vocabulary naturally. You'll feel more confident when speaking. And slowly, English will stop feeling like a foreign language and start feeling natural to you. So here's the challenge for you. Starting today, take just 5 minutes to read in English. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because your future English fluency depends on the small habits you build right now. 5 minutes can change your English. 5 minutes can change your confidence. And 5 minutes can change your life. Remember, just 5 minutes daily can change your English forever. So, don't stop here. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep shining. Subscribe for more quick English lessons. Like, share, and comment your favorite word from today's video. See you in the next one. Remember, just 5 minutes daily can change your English forever. And if you love learning with fun and motivation, then don't miss my story videos. They'll help you improve your reading, listening, and speaking skills in the most enjoyable way. I've shared the links in the description. Make sure to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next video.